Hey YouTube, it's regarding the review for BCA 12,000 powder from Ultimate Nutrition. Uh, Earlier I did a review for Ultimate Nutrition for Pro Star Whey, 100% whey. With that I bought in this BCA powder as well. Now what is BCAA? BCAA is branched chain amino acids. As you know that amino acids are nothing but when proteins are broken down, it's converted into amino acids. 35% of amino acid constitutes of BCAA, that's branched chain amino acid. Now BCAA consists of three components, which is leucine, valine and isoleucine. So what it does is basically when you're working out, you tend to work your muscles. Your muscles go through wear and tear. So this branched chain amino acids helps you to repair those muscles so that you can get back into the gym and work more. So it basically keeps you anabolic. So let's go through the supplement facts for this one. Supplement facts for this one is it's a container contains of 60 servings. It has calories of 5 calories, which is pretty low. Carbohydrates is 1 gram. Leucine is 3 grams. Valine is 1.5 grams. Isoleucine is 1.5 grams, which is pretty decent. Pretty decent for a person like me, weighing around 160 pounds, 160, 165 pounds, would require that much content of BCAA per serving. So that's fine. And it has a ratio of 2 is to 1 is to 1. 2 is leucine, 1 is valine, and another one is isoleucine. So 2 is to 1 is to 1. So as you know, I did a review for a ProStar Whey. The links would be provided below. In that too, there were BCAAs of similar quantity. So it also has a BCA in protein, but over here it's a different form of BCA that it is provided. Again, it is being supplied by Paradise Nutrition. In India, I get this product for around 2,800 to 3,000 rupees. It fluctuates over there. Let's go and check if it's the mixability is good, the taste is good. Okay, what I'll do is I'll use 1 scoop of it, put it in a shaker. This is a cherry flavor. I'll use some water. The water would not be more than it would be 4 to say around 200 ml approximately. If you have some measuring shakers, then you can check the measurement. Approximately to 200 ml would be fine for 1 scoop, not much. I'll just shake it a bit. Okay. Think it's done. The mixability seems to be okay. Let's check out how it tastes well. Okay guys, as you can see, it's ready. I'm gonna pour it out and see its quality, its taste. According to its taste or quality, we'll give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. See? Okay. Now, going ahead, what I would show is the mixability is not that great. You would find some powder still, shaking up, it's coming out. Okay, I'll just give it another shake if you need, because I see lots of powder coming out. See, it's still floating. Give it a thorough shake this time. See, the glass also has the powdered form. Still not dissolved yet. Okay. Try it again. Then the first that you see, that's your BCA. Leucine actually floats. Basically, BCAs are not that tasty because leucine has the bitter property, so it tastes you because it's an acid, so it won't be sweet. Okay, this is how it looks like. Taste wise, it's not great. Mixability is, I would give for the mixability I would give it a thumbs down. For taste, it's okay, let's keep it a thumbs up. Price wise, again it's a thumbs up. Content, quantity wise, 60 servings, for that the quantity is good, that would be a thumbs up. Price, again a thumbs up, because as far as it is concerned, the amount of servings that they give, the quality of BCA that they are giving is okay in that price range, because at around 2500 to 3000 you won't find much of the BCA powdered form products. So it would be a thumbs up. Price, quantity, and say the supplement facts for content wise, it's a thumbs up. Taste is thumbs down. Mixability is a thumbs down. That's really, actually, once you drink it, the taste is, the aftertaste that it has is not that great. So pretty much okay. And see, the mixability is not great at all. See, the powder is still on. Guys, the mixability disappoints me a bit. Otherwise, it's a pretty decent product. I can still feel that powderiness coming out over here. Okay, so overall, if you ask me if I would buy this product or not, I had better tasting products, better mixability products, and better pricing products. There are lots of BCAs available in the market. Okay, one of it is Optimum Nutrition's BCA 5000 powder. I think it is going to compete with that. So if I compare the BCA of Ultimate Nutrition with other products, I would give it a thumbs down, because the mixability disappointed me a bit, and content was pretty okay, because this content you would already be getting in your proteins, or this is a pretty normal supplement fact that we have, not that great. There are lots of products out there like Cellucos BCA, which would be the best in terms of supplement facts, and there are lots and lots of products out there. Some even have glutamine in that. So I wouldn't suggest. If you ask me, I wouldn't buy out another container for this one. And flavoring wise, see, it actually depends on your budget. If you're looking out for a budgeted BCA powder, it would be a good one. But if you ask me, I wouldn't go back to this one again. Thank you, YouTubers. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comments again. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. That's okay for me. Thanks.